photocell acting as a light-dependent switch. As in all circuits, we will have our closet or meter socket or distribution panel. And in this case, we will have a single pole, single throw switch, our broad-based receptacle or light, and our photocell, of course. So 3 main cables come from our button, 2 of which are live and 1 is neutral. The 2 lines are connected to the 2 first terminals, which are in turn connected to the 2 last terminals. These 2 last terminals are connected to our 2 main breakers. Our neutral is connected to our neutral bar, which is connected to the neutral bar in our distribution panel. And of course, our earth comes from our earth bar in our meter socket to our earth bar in our distribution panel. As everything has to be earthed, every metallic plate, to be exact, has to be earthed. We earth them. Now, when amping lights, we use a 50 amp breaker, the least amperage, to hold at most 12 lights. So our line is connected to our single pole, which is the input part of our switch, and it's then taken out by our single throw and placed into the photocell. Connected from the photocell, as the photocell has 2 lives and 1 neutral, similar to our button. The live is then connected, the other live from our photocell is then connected to the live bar on our light, which is the bronze spot. Our neutral comes from our neutral bar into our light, from our light to our LDR, our photocell. Now to go to a more practical version, in this case, we also use an electrical extension to represent our button. Here is our meter socket. As I said, it is connected from terminal 1 to terminal 3 and terminal 2 to terminal 4. Now, these main cables are then connected to our main breakers in our distribution panel. Now, only a 50, because we're dealing with a switch, a light, we use our 15 amp breaker, which is then connected to one of our bars on our single pole, single throw switch. The live that is connected to our input, to our output, is then connected to the live, one of the live in our photocell. The second live of our photocell then goes back down to connect to the bronze part of our lighting. Our neutral is then carried through and connected straight to our silver part on our broad-based receptacle. The second screw is now used to connect to our photocell. During this, no neutral is supposed to connect on your switch due to the fact that it will reverse the effect and thus not making any current here. The LDR is used as a switch because when the resistance is high, there will be no light. And when resistance is low, there will be light. As when resistance is high, this blocks the pathway for the circuit to be completed, but it finds an alternative path to complete the circuit, as all circuits must be completed. We will soon show you what